Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to turn off location on Facebook. First of all, you can open the settings on your device. I can already open the settings. After opening the settings, you can just simply scroll down and here you will find the option privacy and security. Tap on it. Now you can just simply tap on location services. Make sure the app is not shown here. If the app is shown here, you can just simply select the Facebook app. In my case, I can select the second app because I would not edit the Facebook app, so I can use the demo app, that is Maps app. And here you can see the option never. You can just simply select never on your Facebook, and this is the way you can turn off location on Facebook. And if your app is not shown here, you can just simply go back. Now tap on tracking. You can just simply scroll down and here you will find the option Facebook. Make sure that you disable this option. After disabling this is the way you can turn off location on Facebook. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.